Here we go, one very clean car, one old school dirty one. Now behind me is an old school 335i with the N54 engine. Some people say it's unreliable, some people say it's absolutely amazing. But how does it compare to the almighty B58 as some might say? BMW's first attempt at a twin turbocharged engine. First impressions off the bat, the B58's idle is like deafening compared to the 335. You can't even hear that car. So the N54 has a very long write time, 5 minutes. The B58 takes like 30 seconds to map right when MHD is installed. This thing takes ages. We're gonna split this video into 3 segments. First of all, we're going to be doing some pop and bang maps. I'm not the biggest fan of overruns, in fact I hate them. But it does have to be done to see which car sounds better. Number 2, we're also going to be doing just standard stationary revs with no burbles. And then number 3, probably the best sounding clip of the day, we're going to be getting flybys with both cars. There's 0 wind today, so the exhaust tone should be super pure and crisp. So you've got to let me know in the comment section which car arguably looks better, but most importantly, which car is going to sound better. The B58 with its single turbocharger, or the N54 being twin turboed. So now it's time for the N54 in the 335i. You guys got to choose. What overrun sounds better? Those were the burbles on soft. Now we're upping them to the hard and the most aggressive burbles possible on this. It's my turn now for some in-car POV burbles, so let's see what these sound like from inside the cabin. Pretty good. This car revs up a lot quicker than the B58. Okay, the B58 is louder. Listen to this. It's now time for the flybys. Which car is going to sound better? I think so that we don't mess up the sound, let's turn the B58 off, because even this car idling is just stupidly loud. And if you are subscribed to the channel, you'll know that I don't like an obnoxiously loud car. This exhaust system is temporary, and at some point in the future, we are going to be chasing that golden B58 exhaust tone. Anyway, now it's time to see the N54 flyby. What do we think to this? In my opinion, I think it sounds very similar to the S55 and S58 family. It's got that very raspy tone to it.
Here we got the 240i B58 flyby. Let's see how she sounds. Now that sounds really loud. Are we gonna get another sound test on it? Soon see. Come on.
So we've arrived on location for even better flybys. An open road. This is gonna be really good. Do you want to know the funny thing about that car? It's tuned to MHD Stage 2 Plus, and it's got no bolt-ons. Factory charge pipe, OEM catalytic converters. It's just crazy the fact that that car is as fast as it is with everything stock. With this thing though, we've got all the correct bolt-ons, so all is good. So you've heard the burbles on the cars. Now let's get some pure exhaust tones where there's no artificial burbles and just the pure straight 6 noises. So here we are, starting with the N54. A little bit smoky. It is very crisp, I do like it. Now it's time for the B58, which even on idle is really loud, gonna compare to the N54 for straight 6 exhaust noises. It's time, let's hear it. So loud. And hot. We need to just take a minute to appreciate how good this car looks at the moment. The silver alloys with the black and white theme. I can't fault it. I love this car so much. Now the N54 clip. To be fair, I think that actually sounds better than BMW's modern inline sixes like the S55 and S58. It's a lot less raspy compared to the newer generation. So I need you guys to let me know in the comment section which car is winning it in today's video for you guys. The B58 with the single turbo or the N54 with the dual turbos. Right, one thing the N54 doesn't have is anti-lag. So let's see what the anti-lag sounds like in the B58. Here we go, and hold the res button. 3, 2, 1. That sounds so good. I think if I was buying a car in 2006, the 335i with the N54 has got to be one of the best inline sixes for sound. Modern day though, I'm sorry, the B58 isn't winning, the N55 is. See how warm this is on a launch? That was very slow. Sounds pretty good. All right, we're on a big open stretch of road, ready to get some flybys. Let's see what these cars sound like. The question is the B58 going to be better than the N54? I don't think so, purely because I think the B58 sounds a bit like a tractor. I mean, just listen to the way it idles. Listen to this thing. It's so funny. It sounds like it's cammed, even though it's not. I'm going to set the camera up, we'll get some flybys, and then we'll call this video a wrap. We've done burbles, we've done no burbles and a pure exhaust tone, and then we've also done flybys with and without some burbles. Well, there we have it, guys. That's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. And if you did, you'll have to let me know in the comment section which car won in your eyes today. Was it the B58 single turbo, or was it the N54 with it being twin turboed? But the sun is setting, it's getting dark, the road conditions are absolutely useless for doing anything fun with the car. But if you do want to see something fun, we're getting an LSD fitted on the M240i. So if you want to see that installation, driving with it, now would be a good time to subscribe. We're trying to reach 4,000 subscribers before 2026. Apart from that, I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, you can like, subscribe, comment, all those boring things, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.